Welcome. We all need some space, some silence to quiet our minds and reflect on this present moment. I want to be fully present with you and your classmates, and I need you to be fully present with me in order for our time to work together effectively. If you have things that are weighing on you, I want you to let them go. Take all the cares and worries and anything that is weighing on your mind and heart, and leave them outside the door for just a few moments. This time is your time dedicated to yourself. This time is for you and to discuss the most important thing in the world, and that's life. This stillness is your time, your personal time, where no one expects anything from you. You don't have to spout any information, pretend to be happy, or anything. You can just be you and all that means. For this class, we want the real you. Welcome everybody. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I have been busy teaching an actual job, and that has taken priority. But I wanted to, give me just a second. I wanted to connect with you guys again. So as I had said previously, we're going to start covering contracted word signs. So, in Braille, there is grade 1, which is what we did, which was all the alphabet in words into sentences, where the entire word was spelled out. But then there's grade 2, which is what we're moving on to now. Now what that is that it's essentially an abbreviated form of words. So like, in print, you have the word can't, and you use the apostrophe. So you do CAN apostrophe T. That would be kind of like an idea for a contracted sign, where you're using an abbreviation or shortening of a word. Now in this case, I physically typed out the rules. So we're going to start with contracted word signs, and this is lesson number 1, and it is called alphabetic word signs. So let me read you the rule, and I also have it physically in Braille, but I felt that if my audience is more visual, I wanted to give you the opportunity to have it read to you, and I'll explain it as we go. So let's begin. The rule. Letters or contractions may not be added to alphabetic word signs to form other words. Example, butter, not butter. What I mean by that, in Braille, you have the word, just a second, I'm sorry, you have the word butter, B-U-T-T-E-R. The reason why you don't do that is because it would look like that. It would just be the B-U-T, and then, that would be like a misspelling, and that's just not how you apply the rule. Goes, okay, not goes, not just a G and an ES. However, letters or contractions may be added to the hyphen or apostrophe, or if the apostrophe is used. An example is, and this is a word, it's can, and it's apostrophe T, so can't. And then the word merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. G is understood as go. So let's look at them now. Zoom out. Okay, so give me a second, I'm sorry. The words are as follows, and I'll break them down momentarily. But is just understood as a B in Braille. Can, just a C. Do is a D. Every, E. From, F. G. Go. Have, H. Just, J. Knowledge, K. Like, L. More, M. Not, N. Then I wanted to give you guys a brief assignment that's going to allow you to apply the rule. And I'll elaborate. Don't worry, I got this. So directions. Please write the following 5 sentences. Please write the following 5 sentences in Braille using the alphabetic word sign rule. So, let's read them. I'll explain exactly what I want you to do for further elaboration. Please go to the store. So what I want you to do is, as you see, so let's say I read the first one. Let's say you wanted to do the first one. Please go to the store. You would write the entire word in Braille, P-L-E-A-S-E. Go is considered an alphabetic word sign. So instead of writing the entire word, G-O, you would merely write the symbol for G. Find it here. Just a second. Go. Right. Hold on. Right there. You would merely write, instead of writing the G-O for go, you would merely write the symbol for G, because it is one of the words that is part of the alphabetic word sign. I will read the rest of the sentences out loud. Please post comments if you have any concerns or questions. I'm happily help you out. So your sentences are: please go to the store. Do not forget to buy some apples. Show me a can-do attitude. Let's test your knowledge. I like to go to the beach every day. So what you're going to do is, when you see a word like that it pertains to the alphabetic word sign, like go or to, you're going to refer back, and I'll go through it slowly again. One of these words. But is just a B in Braille. Can is C. Do is D. Every is E. From is F. G is go. Go is G. Have is H. Just is J. Knowledge is K. Like is L. More is M. And not is N. So when you see words that are pertaining to that rule, you will merely write the letter that is the equivalent. So can, so but, B-U-T, merely write a B. Can, just a C. Do, just a D. Every just an E. From, just an F. Go, just a G. Have, H. Just, J. Knowledge, K. Like I like you, I. Just an L. Y-O-U. More is just M, and not is just an N. Thank you, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful week. You have an entire week to work on this. Please post a video of your efforts. If you need clarification, please post it in the comments below. I want you guys to try. I know you can do it. Here's a quick rule of it, just a little quick rule of it before I end the video. Let me go through them again, just so you can visually see it. And there is your assignment. Have a wonderful week. I hope you guys had an amazing Easter, if you celebrate Easter, and I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.